Hi lovers, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little real talk rant and just the latest on what's going on in my life right now. So if you like these updated videos, leave me a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, of course. And give it a thumbs up if you want to see more of these videos, okay? Without further ado, let's get it. I'm coming here today because I wanted you guys to know that I give out videos Mondays and Wednesdays, and today I'm doing something different because my bedroom is under construction. I'm actually in it right now, but if you see what's behind me, it's a fucking mess. Like I said, it's a fucking mess. Anyways, so I thought I'd do a real talk rant, a little short one, and also tell you, what we're doing here in my bedroom. So we are putting wood panels into my bedroom, and we are also going to paint the whole bedroom, including the closet and the doors. So right after this video, I literally have to go and grab all the stuff that's on the wall and take them down. So my chalkboard that you guys always see on Instagram, and my beautiful two sconces that are on the wall, and of course my custom made curtains. Think. Anyways, but yeah, so that's what we're doing, and then I have no idea when I'm going to be back in the room. I have been out of the room for about 5 days, and I miss my room. I miss everything. But anyways, so without further ado, let's get into the rant, the little rant. Alexa, change the bedroom lights to red. All right, guys, you know what that means. It's a real talk rant. Let's talk about social distancing, for instance. If I'm in a line and I give you enough space in front of me, then you should give me enough space behind me. And if you're behind me and riding on my ass, I just might turn around and cough on you. Real talk. Seriously, don't do that. It's a pandemic and everybody wants to have this 6 feet. Just give it to everybody.